My motto this week is the judges.
They haven't won anything. Literally nothing.
You know what? We came here to have fun as well, and 8 weeks in a row, all we ever do is leave here being kicked in the teeth. It's hard.
This week, they've got a mere $580 on top of the $21,000 provided by Suncorp.
Our house is the biggest house as well. So you're talking about everyone getting the same budget and a 4.8 metre rake ceiling. It's not easy.
I'm freaking out.
It's no surprise that House One's Harry and Tash are pleased with their living dining room because last night it won the week for them. But not everyone is happy with the winning room.
These finishings are a dog's breakfast. It's not even sanded.
Oh, geez.
Jesus, Harry. That's a good paint job.
Is that yellow? To what?
Oh, yeah, I can see that. There's a big scratch on the wall there.
Look at the skirtings aren't gapped, the PowerPoint.
Daniel and Jade's room was executed to a T and beautiful.
It's so
and they lost
unfair.
by half a point to this.
So we've decided that when you walk up the steps, we want you to walk into a second living space.
Yeah.
So a few weeks ago, we flipped the bathroom and put it on the other side.
Chippy Luke is gluing the yellow tongue over the subfloor. I wonder if he's particular enough to glue the subfloor to the true core frame below.
No glue. All this section here has to be ripped up, glued.
Obviously not.
The winners and grinners dinner tonight, we are expecting the whole shebang.
Oi, when are we eating?
7, Scotty.
You said 6:30. It's 25 past 6.
This is a Greek 6:30. It's 7 o'clock. They're never early. Now, Scotty, can I make a statement, though? We're the only contestants that actually have cooked for our guests.
Harry, you haven't done any cooking. Are you serious, mate?
What are you talking about?
Harry's wife cooked the
Andrea.
dinner, Andrea.
You're actually the only contestants that haven't cooked the meal.
As if completing a living room / study and third bedroom wasn't enough,
I'd love to put a storage area up in the roof, straight off the second deck.
their proposed attic storage room will sit under the roofline of the old house.
I've got some news about the attic. You can start it now.
Rightio, thank you.
And we want it revealed on Sunday.
So I knew it was going to be a pretty tough week from that point going forward.
Keith had a good look at all our exposed wiring and noticed that rather than putting something substantial to protect people walking past, we had cardboard there.
Unfortunately, this is not the only problem Keith finds.
More.
Yeah, we'll get done as well.
Harry! Power is off. Harry. And we've used core flu to cover all these cables up, mate. It's just not good enough. I know you didn't do it.
Okay, I'll
But at the end of the day, we just got to build safely.
Yeah, I
it's
understand.
not happening. So I think what you can do is pack your boys up and they can come back tomorrow. Out you go now. Out. Out.
Jimmy's just received news he didn't want to hear.
We knew there was a gas main within the front yard somewhere, and I stupidly said, knowing our luck, it'll literally be through the centre of the tree.
Guess where it was?
Centre of the tree. And it was touch and go there for a bit, but the Hopkins boys, they persevered. So the tree's out, crane comes in tomorrow, lifts it onto the truck.
Yep.
Truck and crane come here, hole's already dug, it's going to drop straight in.